we have to learn and cooperate with each other.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, so we were discussing about, wait a minute. Yes, now everyone can see the screen, right? So I was asking the question with the Ashar or Nida.
You were asking me. You were asking me.
Wait a minute. All right. I was asking, Hal anti musafiratun ilal Madina.
لا أنا مسافر إلى المكة और नाम أنا مسافر إلى المدينة.
Musafiratun,
مسافر. Okay.
right? Because you are female, so you will use ta marbuta. Okay. So see this practice, if we will do regularly this practice, so we will easily come to know that where we are using ta marbuta and how can we make sentences like tusallina, usalli, or musafiratun, or tasma'ina, tastayqizina. Like this, we can easily, this understanding would be developed while we will do consistent practice. Okay, so now Sumaira, your turn. Hal ladayki munabbahu fi sabahi.
इसकी ट्रांसलेशन कर दें.
Hal means do you, ladayki means do you have, watch.
नाम लदई की मुनब्बा.
Now, hal ta'malina fil layl, Zainab.
Do you تعملوا means
Amalu.
Working.
work? Do you work?
Do you work in the night?
Work. لا لا
Amalu.
أعمل في الليل.
Perfect. La a'malu fil layl. I don't work in the night. So this kind of sentences, this kind of questions, Nida, in your practice session, you can make and you can practice. On regular basis, whatever we do at home, regarding using hammam and doing ablution and offering prayers, like we can make a daily routine from the morning till night. So there are a lot of things we can think about the scenarios and we can utilize them and we can share it after doing the practice. Okay. So next is another exercise, and you guys, I hope you guys can do it all by yourself. Here, there are questions and answers. All right. So we need to match it. Aina tusallil Jumu'ah. What would be the answer of this?
أصلي الجمعة في البيت.
في المسجد.
From here, which
مسجد
option
المسح
comes?
عليه.
Which option will come? Tell me.
في المسجد الحرم. I think so, last one.
Yes, perfect. Okay. هل أنت مريض?
Yes.
لا أنا بخير.
Perfect. إلى أين أنت مسافر?
أنا
إلى مكة.
Yes. Perfect. هل تستيقظ مبكرا؟
لا أستيقظ
متأخرا.
نعم أنا.
Yes. Perfect. لا أستيقظ متأخرا. إلى أين أنت ذاهب؟
إلى المدرسة.
Perfect. هل تسمع الأذان؟ نعم
نعم أسمع الأذان.
Perfect.
أسمع الأذان.
Yes. So these exercises will help us understanding and easily words translation will come inside our head and automatically we understand. Okay, here Ikra al-Fikra summa Ajiban al-Asila. Read this paragraphs, then answer about asking the question. Salman min Turkiya. Huwa Turkiyun. Salman musafirun ila Makkata lis-salati fil Masjid al-Haram. Huwa musafirun ila Makkata bil hafla. سلمان سيصلي في المسجد الحرام الصلاة الخمس الفجر والظهر والعصر والمغرب والعشاء. سلمان سيذهب إلى المدينة يوم الخميس سيصلي الجمعة في المسجد النبوي إن شاء الله. Who will tell me the translation of this paragraph?
I'll tell.
Yeah.
Salman min Turkiya means Salman from Turkey. He is means Salman is from Turkey. Turkiya, huwa Turkey, and he is Turkey. Salman musafirun ila Makkah lissalata fil Masjid al-Haram. Salman is traveling to Makkah to lissalata fil Masjid al-Haram, to pray in Masjid al-Haram. Huwa musafirun ila al-Makkah bil hafila, and he is traveling to Makkah by bus. Salman sayusalli fi al-Masjid al-Haram. Salman will pray in Masjid al-Haram Salatul Khams, 5 prayers. Al-Fajr, Al-Zuhr, Wal-Asr, Wal-Maghrib, Wal-Isha. Salman sayazhabu ila al-Madina Yawmul Khamis. Salman will go to Medina on Thursday or Yawmul Khamis. Sayusalli al-Jumma fi al-Masjid al-Nabawi, and he will pray Jumma in the Masjid Nabawi.
Perfect. Okay, min ayyi baladin Salman. Who will tell me? Zainab. Min ayyi baladin Salman. Min ayyi means from which country Salman is. Min means from, ayyi means
Huwa.
which.
हुआ सलमान तुर्किया
Min,
सलमान तुर्किया
min Turkiya.
min तुर्किया.
Yes, Salman is from Turkey. Okay, second is ma jinsiyatuhu.
Baladin means country.
Yes. Ma jinsiyatuhu.
Huwa Turkiyun.
Perfect. Ila aina huwa musafirun.
إلى مكة.
Yes. Huwa musafirun ila Makkah. Hal huwa musafirun bis sayyara. Does he
لا
travel by the
بالحافلة.
car? Does he travel by the car?
لا
Huwa musafirun ila
إلى
al-Makkah bil hafila.
Perfect. Limaza huwa musafirun ila Makkah? Why does he travel to Makkah?
Huwa musafirun ila al-Makkah fi
Ila
al-Masjid al-Haram Salatul Khams.
Perfect. Maza sayusalli fil Madina. Sumaira, can you tell me? Maza sayusalli fil Madina.
يوم الخميس. ماذا
What will he pray in Medina? What will he pray in the Medina?
صلاة الخمس فجر ظهر عصر مغرب.
Yeah. How would you reply in Arabic? Complete answer.
أصلي في
Sayusalli.
سيصلي في المسجد الحرام الصلاة الخمس فجر والظهر
No.
والعصر والمغرب.
Sayusalli fil Madina. Question is not Masjid al-Haram. Masjid al-Haram to Makkah mein hai na? In Medina.
अच्छा. سيصلي في المدينة جمعة. नहीं यार
Exactly. سيصلي في المدينة صلاة الجمعة.
صلاة الجمعة.
Okay. متى سيذهب إلى المدينة? When will he go to Medina?
سيذهب
On
إلى
Thursday.
المدينة يوم
يذهب
الخميس.
إلى المدينة يوم الخميس.
Perfect. أين سيصلي الجمعة? Where will he pray of Friday? سيصلي الجمعة في المسجد الحرام. Okay, so this kind of paragraph you need to do a lot of practice. So you can easily do this. طارق يصلي الظهر والعصر في مسجد عثمان ويصلي المغرب والعشاء في مسجد علي. طارق يدع منبه بجانبه ويستيقظ مبكرا ويصلي الفجر في المسجد وينام بعد صلاة الفجر. Who will translate it? Zainab. Can you do it?
Okay, I'll try.
Yeah, sure.
Tariq, he pray in Zohar, Asar, prayer in Masjid Osman, and he pray Maghrib, Isha in Masjid Ali.
Maghrib
Tariq,
and Isha. Wa means
Maghrib
and.
and Isha, yes, Maghrib and Isha in Masjid Ali. Tariq put alarm near him, and he wake up early, and he pray Fajr in Masjid and sleep after Fajr prayer.
Perfect. He sleeps after the Fajr prayer. Okay. Tariq yusalli Zohra fi Masjid Usman. Naam or la? Tariq yusalli
Naam.
Zohra.
Naam.
Perfect. Tariq yusalli Isha fil Bayt.
لا.
Tariq yusalli Fajr fi Masjid Usman.
La.
Naam. Tariq yanamu ba'da. Yes. Naam. La. جيد. طارق ينام بعد صلاة الفجر.
نعم.
جيد. طارق يضع المنبه بجانبه.
نعم.
ممتاز. طارق يستيقظ مبكرا.
نعم.
Perfect. Okay, so we almost have finished the unit number 6. We had Al-Wahdatus Sadis, 6th unit. Till Baini Kalima, we can do this. Wama yuna sibuha fi ba means alif and ba they have given, and munasib suitable words we need to see. Ta'am wa what would come with it? Ta'am wa sharab. Perfect. Okay. Nahif wa
وسيم. سمين.
Samin.
yes.
Samin.
Nahif is thin and Samin is fat. Shayun wa
قهوة.
okay.
قهوة.
Lahmun wa
دجاج.
qalilun wa
Kasirun.
كثير.
perfect. Yakulu wa
Yashrabu.
yashrabu. Qaribun wa
Baidun.
perfect. Okay. So this way we can improve our vocabulary. All right. I will try my level best to share Girdan charts in group in 1 or 2 days, inshallah. So next week, inshallah, we will try hard to do the girdan, knowing about how can we transform fele mudare to fele amar and fele mazi, inshallah. Akmil al-juml bil kalimat taliya means these sentences we need to complete with the blanks. Okay, so I hope you guys can do it. Sumaira, can you tell me what tatlub means? Yes, Sumaira.
जी क्या क्वेश्चन है?
Sorry, tatlub means. I want to know the meaning of tatlub. This word. This one. Do you know?
No.
It's okay. Tatlub means what do you need? But who will tell me is it correct or wrong? Sahal or khata? Right or wrong?
Khata.
Exactly.
Khata.
How?
It should be tatlubina.
Tatlubina.
Perfect, perfect. Maza tatlubina min at-ta'am ya Fatima. Ya is nada. It's showing that I'm not talking about third person Fatima. I'm talking about second person Fatima, right? Hal tashrabina shaya ya Ahmad. Is it correct or wrong?
Hal-
Sahal or khata?
Hal
Yashrab.
tashrabu.
Yashrab.
Perfect. Akulu salasa wajbatan fil yawm.
Wajbat. Wajibat, I think so.
And
Plural should be.
here hal tashrab aayega. Tashrab shaya. Tashrab is for male, second person, and tashrabina is for female. Because tashrab,
Yashrab nahi aayega because it's
Yashrab is
Ya
he.
Ahmad. Okay. Say he's present. Ya Ahmad. Okay.
Yashrab is he. Okay, al masjid baidatun an al bayt. Al masjid baidatun an al bayt.
Fi al-bayt.
Perfect. Al masjidu baidatun fil bayt. No, min al bayt. From the house.
Minal.
Exactly. The masjid is far from the house. Min al bayt. Okay. Ana musafirun ilal Makkah. Saha or khata?
Saha.
Khata. Because you will notice and start noticing that if with the name of country Makkah, with the name of city Makkah, you are not supposed to put al. Only it will come ila Makkah. Ila Makkata or ila Makkah. Ana musafirun ila Makkah. Ilal Makkah is khata, right? Ana zahibun lil masjid yantazir ana zahibun mak. Khata or sahi? Ana zahibun lil masjid yantazir.
Zahib means we went to mosque, and yantazuru means I'm waiting. Yantazuru means I'm waiting. Ana zahibun ma'ak. Azhab it will be. It should be azhab.
No. Ana zahibun lil masjid. I am going to the masjid. Okay.
Zahibun is past, isn't it? Azhab it will be. If it will be, I'm going to.
Zahibun is the person who is Urdu में हम Arabic में कहेंगे fa'il. It is fa'il. Zahibun is correct.
Okay.
It is khata because here it is using yantazir. I have to use commanding fe'l amar intazir.
Zahibun is here. What exactly means? Which form of verb is it? This is what I'm trying to ask.
No, see.
Because if it's I'm going, it should be azhab, na?
No, I am going. Yes, azhab. But in the future, I will tell you the person who who is subject. Like I'm subject and I'm doing something. Okay. So here, this would be, you can say, isme fa'il. That would not ism, neither ism nor fail. It would be isme fa'il, which we will discuss later on.
How
Zahibun
you will
is the
translate it?
person.
Agar, how you will translate this? Ana zahibun lil masjid. If you will
Ana
translate it
zahibun,
in English,
yeah.
hmm,
I am the person who is going to the masjid. Ana zahibun. When we discuss the grammatical rules, so you can easily know what is the difference between azhab and zahibun. Zahibun is the authenticity that yes, I am going, and azhab means I go or I am going. Both are the same, but when we there might be some difference which we can discuss. Okay, I will see and I will discuss with you, so you can not getting confusion in your head, because this is the fa'il. Okay, this is not fail. This neither fail nor ism. This is fa'il, and we have to discuss about fa'il. Okay, all right. Are you getting my point? As I told you
yes,
guys that in verb, in fail, we only mention fele mudare, fele mazi, and fele amar. But in ism, we use fail and maful. Are you getting my point? Subject and object. So when we talk about isme fa'il, this is the sentence of isme fa'il. This is not a sentence of you can say isme like two kinds of sentences are over there. Jumla felia and jumla ismiya. So this is the jumla ismiya because it is starting from ana. Ana is ism, not fail. And jumla ismiya, there would be a difference from the jumla felia. So when you will know about the grammatical rules, you will easily get to know. Right now, I know there might be some confusion in your head, but this would need a lot of time to discuss about that. I hope you are getting my point.
okay, inshallah.
Okay, so just think that Zahibun, Qaimun, that person who is doing it. Zahibun, that person who is going. Ana Zahibun lil masjid, I am the one who is going to the masjid. Intazir, Ana Zahibun Maaka. Wait, I am going with you. So here, the wrong thing is intazir, not yantazir. Are you getting it?
Yantazir means he, Yantazir, if I'll, Intazir
Yantazir
is
means,
wait for me.
yes, no, yantazir
Okay.
means he is waiting.
He is waiting. Okay, now
But here,
Intazir means wait for me.
here ma ka is showing that I am talking to second person, ma ka, with you. So I am telling you I am going to the masjid. Intazir ana zahibun ma ka. Wait, I am going with you. So here yantazir is wrong. Yantazir is fele mudare. Here fele amar will come. Intazir.
Yantazir means he is waiting for you.
Yes, yantazir is fele mudare. Antazir, I am waiting. Yantazir, he is waiting. Tantazir, you are waiting.
Tantazir, you are
Tantazirina,
waiting.
yes,
And
exactly.
she is waiting. Matlab,
Yes.
means you in female is waiting.
Exactly. So like this, we need to discuss about this. Yes, Zahibun is making confusion, some confusion in your head. So I will definitely clarify in next class, inshallah. All right. I think there is a really need to start discussing about the grammatical rules, inshallah. And from the next week, we will gonna start it, inshallah ta'ala. All right. So you guys have to finish it. And this also there is another paragraph
ये
they
first
have
one
given.
तो repeat कर दें